The world's largest ship propellers are engineering giants, massive rotating structures that push some of the biggest vessels on Earth across oceans. These enormous propellers convert the raw power of a ship's main engine into forward motion, making global maritime transport possible. In this video, we'll take a look at 10 of the most colossal ship propellers ever built and explore the incredible engineering behind them. The Emma Maersk. Our first giant is the Emma Maersk, one of the largest container ships ever built. To move a vessel of this size, it relies on an enormous 5-bladed propeller engineered in Germany by Mecklenburger Metallguss GmbH. This massive propeller measures over 10 meters across and weighs an incredible 113 tons. It was manufactured in Waren, transported to Hamburg in 2014, and temporarily stored before installation. The Emma Maersk itself stretches nearly 400 meters long, with a beam of 56 meters, and can carry around 15,000 containers. With the help of its record-breaking propeller, the ship can reach speeds up to 27 knots, an impressive feat for a vessel of its size. Next on the list is the Hamburg Express, a 7,200 TEU container ship that received one of the largest propellers of its era. Built in 2001 by Hyundai Heavy Industries, this propeller is truly enormous. It weighs more than 100 tons, spans 9.1 meters in diameter, and features 6 blades, roughly the height of a small apartment building when stood upright. This giant propeller was paired with what was, at the time, the world's most powerful diesel engine, a 93,000 horsepower monster weighing over 2,000 tons with a 420-ton crankshaft. Together, they gave the Hamburg Express remarkable propulsion capability for its class. Oasis of the Seas. Coming in next is the Oasis of the Seas, once the largest passenger ship ever launched. A ship this massive needs equally massive propulsion, and that's exactly what it received. Its propellers were built by ABB and measure over 6 meters in diameter. But what makes this ship unique is the technology behind those propellers. Instead of traditional shafts, the Oasis of the Seas uses 3 electric azimuth thrusters, each producing 20,000 kilowatts of power. These thrusters can rotate, which means the ship doesn't even need a rudder. Steering is handled by the propellers themselves. To help with maneuvering in tight spaces, the vessel is also equipped with 4 bow thrusters, each delivering around 7,500 horsepower. Together, they give this giant cruise ship surprising agility for its size. Titanic. No list of legendary propellers would be complete without the RMS Titanic. During its time, the ship wasn't just enormous, the machinery behind it was groundbreaking. The Titanic relied on 3 massive bronze propellers, each measuring over 23 feet across and weighing about 38 tons. Every propeller was powered by its own engine, and when combined, the system produced close to 30,000 horsepower. For many historians and engineers, the Titanic's propellers remain some of the most iconic and technically impressive ever designed for a passenger liner.
Queen Elizabeth II. Next on the list is the legendary Queen Elizabeth II, better known as the QE2. This iconic ocean liner was equipped with a pair of enormous propellers, each one measuring about 22 feet across and weighing roughly 43 tons. These propellers weren't just big, they were engineered for durability. The blades were designed with a specialized shape and material composition to withstand years of long-distance ocean travel. For their time, they ranked among the largest propellers ever installed on a passenger vessel. Now, we head into icy territory with the research icebreaker RV Palmer. Built for harsh polar conditions, this vessel relies on 2 incredibly strong and heavy-duty propellers. Each propeller is about 4 meters in diameter, equipped with 4 rugged blades designed to chew through thick sea ice. Powered by engines generating more than 12,000 horsepower, the Palmer uses these twin 13-foot propellers to push through dense ice at around 3 knots. Manufactured in Norway from reinforced alloy, these propellers are built for resilience in some of the harshest waters on Earth.
Elation. Coming in next is the cruise ship Elation. This vessel is powered by a pair of large fixed-pitch propellers, each fitted with 4 blades. Every propeller spans about 5.6 meters across and weighs close to 14 tons. These heavy, precisely machined propellers provide the thrust needed to move a fully loaded cruise ship smoothly across the ocean. Bismarck. Now let's look at one of history's most famous warships, the German battleship Bismarck, launched in 1939. The ship relied on 3 powerful propellers, each measuring 4.7 meters in diameter. Built from a durable manganese-bronze alloy, these 3-bladed propellers were engineering achievements of their time. They could reach speeds of around 270 revolutions per minute, pushing an enormous volume of water, about 2.4 cubic meters with every single turn. OOCL Hong Kong. Next on the list is OOCL Hong Kong, a ship that made history when it launched in 2017. At the time, it held the title of the world's largest container vessel and was the first to break the 21,000 TEU capacity barrier. Measuring almost 400 meters long and nearly 59 meters wide, this G-class giant is built for extreme cargo efficiency. With a summer draft of 16.3 meters and a gross tonnage of over 212,000, moving a ship of this size requires serious power. OOCL Hong Kong uses massive fixed-pitch propellers paired with a MAN G-type 11G95 MEC9 engine, delivering more than 62,000 kilowatts. That's enough to push the vessel to a top speed of around 21 knots, with a comfortable cruising speed in the mid-teens. Norwegian Epic. Rounding out the list is Norwegian Epic, a cruise ship that turned heads when it entered service in 2009. At the time, it ranked among the 3 largest cruise ships in the world and introduced a new era of onboard entertainment and modern amenities. The ship stretches 329 meters in length, spans 40.6 meters wide, and carries over 4,200 passengers. To move this floating resort, it relies on 2 electric motors connected to traditional shaft lines, each powering a Wärtsilä fixed-pitch propeller capable of generating 24 megawatts at 135 RPM. In 2015, the vessel got a major technical upgrade, receiving new Becker rudders, propeller caps, fresh hull coating, upgraded lifeboat systems, improved air ducts, and maintenance on its thrusters, stabilizers, and refrigeration units. And that wraps up our list of the 10 biggest ship propellers in the world. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive. And if you want to explore another fascinating topic, check out this video next. What happens if the Atlantic Ocean stops flowing? It's one you definitely don't want to miss.